Alright, Miami foods. Now I'm still over here in this Chinese market. It's called Fresh. We're in North Miami Beach, and I ended up getting this here, a little drink. It's called Basil Seed Leche drink. You know what I'm saying? Leche juice. Yes, let's see what they talking about. You hear me? Y'all hold up. There you go, I got it. So let's see what this tastes. So let's see what this tasting like, you hear me? That basil nice, and it's sweet, it ain't too sweet. It's alright though. It's alright though. Basil seed, you know? Y'all try that. You wanna try something different? Got the leche juice with the basil seed, and that basil good for you, hear me? Alright, Miami foods, and y'all remember, if you can't stand the heat, stay out the kitchen. Miami foods.